Hey guys, want to know how to swipe someone in OkCupid? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first up, simply open up your OkCupid application. And once your OkCupid application opens, make sure you are logged in as well. And once that is done, you should be welcomed with an interface where you will be shown various people. Now once you're there, in order to swipe, just simply hold on the person and then just swipe left or right. Swiping left would unmatch them and swiping right would initiate a match. And that's it. Super simple and easy. For more information though, you can also click on that person's profile as well, and down there you will see a heart and a cross icon. You can just simply click on the cross in order to ignore them or unmatch them, or click on the love to initiate the match. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.